Hi, I'm Sayne Dalton, Senior Policy Officer at Dietitians Australia. And I'm here today with Katherine Toohey, Advanced Accredited Practicing Dietitian and Subject Matter Lead for the Disability Portfolio. Hi Katherine, how are you?
I'm well, Sayne. How are you going?
Good, thank you. Well, today we're here to give you an update on advocacy activities happening in the disability space. But before we get started, Katherine, can you tell us a little bit about why you chose to take on the Subject Matter Lead position?
Thanks, Sayne. I am really passionate and have always been about working with vulnerable groups. And through life experience and just the twists and turns, I've become super passionate about working in this disability space. And so the opportunity to work with DA in the advocacy was really exciting to me.
Well, Dietitians Australia are definitely happy to have you on board. You certainly are a great asset to the team, Katherine. So thanks for coming on board.
Oh, it's a pleasure.
So Katherine, can you tell us a bit about why disability is a priority for Dietitians Australia?
I guess it links back to my passion area, isn't it? It's around community need and recognising that disability and people with a disability are really vulnerable, which is similar to the other subject matter leads role working in mental health and aged care, really looking to uplift and uphold those vulnerable members of our community.
Wonderful. So yeah, disability, it's an area of significant community need, and also something that's really important to our members.
Yeah.
Okay, so can you tell us a bit about what you've done in your role and how you decided to do it?
Yeah, thanks. So starting with how we decided, it was before I took on this role, Dietitians Australia ran a think tank with members, which identified some key priority areas, including the NDIS, the Disability Royal Commission, and the profile of dietitians in the disability space. So in my role, some of these things are covered, and others like capacity of dietitians and upskilling will be covered by a mainstream capacity building grant. And if you want to have your say, there is a survey live right at the moment. And in my role, we've also looked at supporting Dietitians Australia. We actually were able to present to the council assisting the Disability Royal Commission and put forward a really specific list of suggestions and requests and concerns in that space, and looking to highlight the great work that dietitians do into the future. That's kind of where we're heading.
Excellent. So there's lots happening in the disability space, lots of advocacy activities. How can members get involved?
Put your hand up and ask. So get involved, reach out to Sayne or I. There's also a disability brief paper. So looking at more detail of those advocacy areas and the details on the DA website. They've got the IG through SharePlate. So, jump in there and have a go and get involved. And also we've got some webinars coming up through DA.
Wonderful. Thank you so much, Katherine, for your update. And just a final message that, we're really excited about having dietitians involved in our advocacy activities. Please reach out if you're, passionate about disability and would like to contribute. And yeah, watch out for future updates.
Absolutely. Thanks, Sayne.
Thank you.